Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this site can't be reached or error address unreachable. First, go to your Google Chrome, and here in the three dots you need to go and click on settings. Here you need to click on reset settings. Here it is shown restore settings to the original defaults. Go ahead and reset your settings. After that, check if that error still exists. If it exists, then type command prompt in the search and run as admin. So here, type these commands. Type this command first. After that, type this. And after this, type this. After that, you need to put another command, which is this. And after you've completed that, this is the last command, which is this. So after all of these commands, you just need to restart your computer and hopefully your problem should have been fixed. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.